Did you know that one of the most powerful natural remedies might already be sitting in your kitchen? That's right, we're talking about ginger. This spicy root has been used for thousands of years, for both cooking and healing. And today, we're diving into all the reasons why ginger deserves a permanent place in your daily routine. 1. Inflammation and pain relief. First up, let's talk about inflammation. Ginger is packed with compounds called gingerols. These have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They help reduce swelling and pain, especially in people suffering from arthritis or chronic joint pain. In fact, studies show ginger supplements can be just as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers, but without the unwanted side effects. Whether it's sore muscles or stiff joints, ginger might be the relief you've been looking for. 2. Digestive support. Next, ginger is a go-to for digestive health. If you've ever sipped ginger tea to calm an upset stomach, you already know how effective it can be. It stimulates saliva and bile production, both of which help your body break down food more easily. Ginger can relieve gas, bloating, and even help your stomach empty faster, which is especially helpful for people with indigestion or discomfort after meals. And let's not forget, ginger is famous for easing nausea. Whether it's from pregnancy, motion sickness, or even chemotherapy, ginger is a gentle and natural remedy that actually works. 3. Immunity and disease prevention. But ginger doesn't stop at the stomach. It's also a major immunity booster. Thanks to its high levels of antioxidants, ginger helps fight off free radicals, the unstable molecules that contribute to aging and disease. It also has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help protect against certain bacteria and viruses. Feel a cold coming on? Try a hot ginger tea with lemon and honey. It's soothing, comforting, and it just might help you recover faster. 4. Metabolism, blood sugar, and brain health. Here's something you might not know. Ginger may also help with blood sugar and metabolism. Some studies suggest it can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. That's good news for anyone managing type 2 diabetes. It may also support heart health by lowering cholesterol and reducing oxidative stress. And there's growing evidence that ginger's anti-inflammatory power benefits the brain, too. It might help protect against age-related decline, including memory loss and Alzheimer's disease. So, from reducing pain and nausea, to boosting your immune system, to protecting your heart and brain, ginger really does it all. You can cook with it, drink it, or take it as a supplement. However you enjoy it, this little root offers big benefits. So next time you're shopping, grab some ginger. Your body will thank you.